Who's there? Yona! Come here, my child. Where will you go? You do understand why you cannot come with us, don't you?
Yes.
Yona, I am sorry.
Shed no tears for me. There'll be rain enough today. I'm wishing you Godspeed as I wave you on your way. This won't be the first time I've stayed behind to face the bitter consequences of an ancient fall from grace. I'm the daughter of the race of Cain. I am not a stranger to the rain. Orphan in the storm, that's a role I played before. I've learned not to tremble when I hear the thunder roar. I don't curse when I can't change, I just play the hand I'm dealt. And when they lighten up the rations, I tighten up my belt. I won't say I've never felt the pain, but I am not a stranger to the rain. And for the boy who's given me the sweetest love I've known, I wish for him another love so he won't be alone. But I am bound to walk among the wounded and the slain. And when the storm comes crashing on the plain, I will dance before the lightning to music sacred and profane. Oh, shed no tear for me, light no candle for my sake. This journey I'll be making now is one we all must make. Shoulder to the wind, I'll turn my face into the spray. And when the heavens open, let the drops fall where they may. If they finally wash away, they'll stay. From a daughter of the race of Cain.
Yona! Don't try to stop me, Japheth.
Where do you think
know
you're
I
going?
have to leave.
No, you're coming on the ark.
I can't.
Just listen, please listen. I've been up on the ark looking around. There's a little hole near the bow where you can hide till the rain's over. I'll bring you food, I'll visit whenever it's safe, and by the time they find you, it'll be too late.
Oh, Japheth, no, it's wrong.
Why?
God told your father the race of Cain must all be destroyed.
Then God must be wrong.
How could God be wrong?
I am not giving you up.
You can't hide me on the ark forever. What happens when your father finds out? When God finds out?
I don't care. I don't give a damn for the thunder of fathers, come hell or high water. Whatever they do, how could I live? in a world without you.
I don't know what to do.
Yona, in whatever time we have, for as long as we are living, we can face whatever comes. If we face it now as one, I can make it on my own. Let me know that I don't have to. No one really wants to be alone in whatever time we have. If at times we are afraid with so little to believe in, it's alright to feel afraid. I will hold you in the dark. All we know for sure is this: though the world could end tomorrow, you and I will be together in whatever time.
Whatever time we have, for as long as we are living,
Life can
we can
be
face
a
whatever
battlefield.
comes. If
But
we
we
face it
won't
now as
run,
one,
You'll be my fortress, and I will be your shield. No one really wants to be alone in whatever time we have.
there are times I've been afraid in a world that's so uncertain. Then I feel your hand in mine, and there's courage in my heart.
We could live 100 years.
Or the world could end tomorrow, but we know
We'll be together
in whatever time. From this day forward, nights won't seem so black. From this day forward, we will never look back. In whatever time we have, we will make the most of time. And at least we'll be together in whatever time we
Father,
Come on!
Japheth!
This is the last chance I would give. Now it is corrupted, defiled, and vain. Is there no escape from the race of Cain?
Come on!
Except to make it rain and rain and rain.
Fountains of the deep, windows of heaven, and fountains of the deep.
Behold, I will blot out mankind from the face of the earth, both man and beast and every creeping thing. The end of all flesh is come before me. Rain,
Rain.
until the end of time,
Rain.
and let the raging
And
sky
let the
send
raging
down an endless everything out of nothing. Now nothing will remain. And to the sky I send my word, and forever will Oh, my children that I loved so well, my heart is dark and cold. I thought that you would keep me young, but you have made me old. All my labor, all my love, I wonder now, why did I bother? That's what it means to be a father. I have destroyed the thing I loved, and now I feel so old.
And the waters were upon the face of the earth, drowning out the promise of that first hopeful birth.
Without form,
Void darkness.